So you see where we at? Floating market. So this is gonna be an experience. So I can't wait to see what it's gonna be like on the other side. It's gonna be a lot of food, a lot of boats, you know. So here we are. In the park. Headed to the floating market. I'm chilling. So fun. Look at this. People so nice. Wow. Coconut. Not right now. Let me see. Later, not this one. Thank you. Look at that. I'm okay. No, thank you. Not today.
I have size for you.
Yeah.
Size you I have.
I'm okay.
Give me one more please.
I know. I'm sorry. Not right now.
I open shop for the lucky day. Help me
Yeah.
one, please.
Maybe when I come back. Yeah. Oh, it's only one way? Oh.
Help me one more. I open shop lucky.
Yeah.
Sale day.
I'm okay right now. I'm okay. I just ate and I'm just watching, you know. Yeah. Thank you. No. They got sugar, free sugar testing. Okay. We got everything around here. Coconut sugar. Wow.
Drink free.
Okay. Let me see what it tastes like. Wow, look at this. Ooh.
It's made from flower coconut.
Okay. Oh.
Flower on the top of coconut tree. Flower before become coconut.
Okay.
In the evening, we come up to the top of coconut. We cut flower. Sugar is drip from flower coconut.
Wow. Let me test it out.
Yes. In the morning.
Wow.
We make it. We boil.
Wow. Show me this. Wow.
Boil 20 minutes. Sugar.
Coconut sugar.
Yes, this from coconut tree.
Oh my God.
So many bees. We boil 20 minutes just for drink.
20 minutes just for this. Look at this. This is so good.
If we boil 2 hours, become sugar like this.
Okay, 2 hours. Looks like that. Okay.
You can taste it.
Y'all gonna have me doing everything.
Used for cooking. Put in hot coffee.
It tastes like pralines.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Coconut sugar.
And this candy, coconut candy.
Yeah. Tastes kind of like this in America.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So how much you sell it for?
This one?
Yeah. How much you sell it for?
This one only for drink.
You sell?
Oh.
Money?
It only
Drink?
Cannot keep long time. Only one day because it's fresh.
Ah.
Cannot keep long time. And
Hello. Not right now. Not right now. Thank you.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
You sit in the middle, Balan.
Right here? Okay.
Okay.
All right. Hello.